Hi, I'm Adedoyin. Today we're going to look at presentation in psychology, behaviorism versus psychodynamics. Let's get into it. So the introduction incorporates that psychology, diverse perspective including social psychology, behaviorism, biological psychology, cognitive psychology, and psychodynamic psychology. It's telling that each offering distinct explanation of human behavior. This presentation, however, is going to focus on behaviorism and psychodynamics, and we're going to look at the assumption, the key theories, similarities, differences, and the application to contemporary issues in psychology. Behaviorism. So, behaviorism focuses on overt observable behaviors and environmental influences, highlighting conditional learning, according to Skinner. What are the key assumptions in behaviorism? First is every behavior is learned. For example, take a look at a newborn baby. A newborn baby over time grows into an adult, and everything this baby learns it puts it into application in the society. So emphasis on observable behavior, the environment and its factor influence behavior. Internal mental processes are irrelevant in this theory. Behavior is shaped by external factors. So the key theories here is B.F. Skinner with the theory of operant conditioning. Operant conditioning stresses learning through reinforcement and punishment. Using his box experiment shows behavior modification and shaping it through controlled consequences. So let's evaluate Skinner's work. Skinner contributes to knowledge by providing empirical evidence for learning principles that find application in behavioral therapy, education, gamification, sport, public health, and rehabilitation. His work has downsized. This work has downside because it suffers over simplification of behavior and stresses observable behavior while disregarding cognitive processes. It raises ethical consideration when applied to variable population. So now we're looking at the psychodynamic perspective. If we take a look at this picture, it's just looking very natural. Children playing with their teacher, and one is being observant. From this observation, you can see that you don't know what this child is learning, but they are in a learning situation. So this perspective stresses unconscious thoughts, feeling, early childhood experience, and internal conflict as variables that shape personality and behavior. And the key assumption in this theory is unconscious processes shape behavior, childhood experiences shape personality, defense mechanism protects the ego, and behavior is driven by internal conflicts. And the key theories is Sigmund Freud is credited as the chief theorist of the psychodynamics theory. So the psychodynamics theory is proposed by Sigmund Freud that human behavior and personality are shaped by unconscious thoughts, feelings, and memories. It claims that the unconscious mind, comparing the ID, ego, and the superego, shapes behavior and emotion through defense mechanism and repressed thoughts. So let's look at the evaluation of this psychodynamics theory. So it contributes to the understanding of unconscious mind, highlights the role of childhood experience in shaping behavior. It offers therapeutic techniques. However, it lacks some empirical evidence because it neglects later life experiments in behavior influencing it. It leans on sexism and cultural bias. So we're going to compare and contrast the two theories, the behaviorism and psychodynamics. So the features we're going to be using to compare and contrast is the focus. Psychodynamics focuses on feelings, memories, and unconscious thoughts, while behaviorism focuses on observable behavior and environmental factors. If we look at the behavior determinants, for psychodynamics, unconscious thoughts, feelings, memory, childhood experiences, and relationship, while in behaviorism, environmental factors including punishment, reinforcement, and conditioning. If we look at their methodology, the psychodynamics focuses on dream analysis, free association, while the behaviorism uses empirical methods such as observation, statistic analysis, and experimentation. The key theories in both psychodynamics and behaviorism are mentioned below. So let's look at similarities and differences. So the similarities of both theory is they both recognize the impact of past experience on behavior. Both theories have contributed to therapeutic approach and behavior modification. Both acknowledges environmental factors in shaping behavior. Both admit that there are individual differences, and they both focus on motivation. Let's look at the differences. The differences is psychodynamics focuses on internal factors, while behaviorism focuses on external. Psychodynamics explores the unconscious, while behaviorism explores the observable. Psychodynamics uses non-empirical method, while behaviorism uses empirical method. In psychodynamics, therapy modifies unconscious conflicts, while behaviorism focuses on observable behavior modification. So both theories have been applied to contemporary issues. Both theories have been used to solve contemporary issues. For the psychodynamics theory has been able to solve issues such as mental health, like anxiety, depression, crisis and trauma treatment, leadership development, and conflict resolution. While behaviorism has been able to solve issues like anxiety, depression, and PSCD, addiction recovery, improve student behavior in an educational setting, public health campaigning and interventions, organization improvement of staff behaviors. So in conclusion, this is an image to show a therapeutic counseling session. So it's obvious that these two theories have been put into use. So in conclusion, behaviorism and psychodynamic provide invaluable insights into human behaviors and actions. Despite their variances, they have significantly contributed to our perception of human behavior and application to solving behavior-related issues. Below are the references. Thank you.